Okay guys, so I'm a little under the weather right now. My sinus infection's getting to me, but I want to put this video out for you guys. Today's going to be a little bit controversial. I think so. I really don't want it to be that way, but I want to talk about something. I just put a reel up on my Instagram. It is Friday, May 3rd, and I'm going to talk about people calling themselves blonde specialists when they know nothing about blondes. If this is something you're interested in and seeing a really cool tutorial of me taking Natalie a lot brighter and doing my Sinful Full blonde technique, then keep watching. Alright, so we're going to be doing Natalie's hair today, and we did it last time 8 months ago. We always do my Sinful Stitch, back-to-back Sinful Full, but we always add a low light and we always do a nice root smudge. Today we're going to be doing things a little bit differently, well, a whole lot differently for her. I want to pack these foils in back-to-back-to-back like always, but leave the low light out, really break through any old low lights. I'm not going to tip out her ends because I don't want to do any damage on her hair like that. But you guys, I've been using K18 and I've been obsessed. I'm so late to the program, but I'm so glad I finally fell into it and I'm in love. Her hair was way unhealthier in this before than it is when we're finished. Keep watching, you will see what I mean. I was blown away. Every day I'm more and more blown away. Each and every client I use K18 on, it's an amazing product. We're going in, we're going to be foiling around the hairline, doing detailed work as always, really small slices in that money piece area, about 2 or 3. In the front sections, I'm going to be doing one of my other favorite placements where I do one horizontal, and then the next foil I do go on the side on a diagonal. But I'm doing baby lights all the way up until we get to the bang box, and I'll only do 2 slices. When somebody's like a darker, I say a darker level 6 and below, I will usually stick to just really fine baby lights in the hairline area back to back because I feel like they process a little bit better. I could be crazy, but when I slice somebody who's brunette, the darker the hair, the more warmer and weirder it lifts. I don't know if that's just me, but that's what I find happens. So I don't like to slice on anybody unless they're a level 6, a light 6 and above. But with Natalie, I know her hair, I've been doing it for years, even childhood friends since we were 5, doing her hair for 5 years, and I just know how her hair works. I take them really, really small, but I am able to do 2 slices, but I only do them in the bang box. So now I explained what we're doing so far in this appointment. I do want to talk about something a little controversial. I don't feel comfortable saying it, but I have to say it because it's been going on and on for years, and it's something that really bothers me. In my personality, I say what bothers me. I speak my feelings. I keep it real at all times. I can't be fake. I can't act fake. I am so sick and annoyed and tired of people who are not blonde specialists, who don't do this every day, who don't use lightener all the time, going and telling clients, for a lower price that they do specialize in blondes, and ruining and butchering their hair in multiple different avenues and ways. This is not for people who are coming out of cosmetology school. We don't just start good. Some of us, I do believe, are born with certain gifts and are a little bit better with this or that. But for the most part, we all start in the beginning. We all have to work our way up. I took class after class, watching YouTube videos in hair school. Anybody can really, confirm this for me that I went to hair school with. They would get an hour break, I would be going and foiling a mannequin. Like, that's just who I am. I had a vision, and when I want something, I make it happen. That doesn't mean everybody has to do that when it comes to blonde. But my problem with it is there are people who are not doing that and do not take classes and have ego, and they go and just for a check do not want to say that they don't specialize in something. They won't turn the check down. They won't say, I'm not comfortable doing this. They'll do it anyway, grab the check, ruin somebody's hair, and it makes it bad on the whole entire industry because then people see, blonde specialists, like, everybody can say that. I take pride in my work. I really am what I consider a blonde specialist, and I wish they actually had a course for it. So you would have to be literally take a course and be certified. And then have to hang it on your wall and show the clients when they get there that you are certified in blonding and bleaching. Because I do feel like it's its own thing on another level. Bleach is damaging, known as damaging. It can really hurt the hair. It's one of the most strongest chemicals alongside a perm and relaxer. So it's a lot that goes into it, and that's why there's a lot of, bad bad reputation around it. And I don't think the hair schools help. You know, these days with technology and the tools that we have with K18 and Olaplex being the originator, and just all these bond builders and lighteners having them now, and the technology forever changing every year, getting better and better, we're able to push the hair a lot longer and more than we did back in the day. And I will say this, Natalie's hair is not damaged by any means right now. It's not the greatest. She doesn't do much to it. And for somebody who comes once a year, maybe twice, her hair is in really good shape for somebody who's not really going the extra mile with it. I do her hair. I feel comfortable overlapping it. I know her hair. It's strong. But what blows me away is that I'm bleaching it, overlapping roots to ends, and that her hair looks better, feels better, and is better at the end of this session. That doesn't show you technology has changed with lightener. I don't know what will. But we need people to get out there, take classes. If you want to get these checks and put in, that deposit of all those, a large amount of money for doing these big blonde transformations, put the work in, put the time in, and actually learn and grow your craft. That's where I'm at. I don't want people going out there and taking the easy way out, not knowing what the hell they're doing, either frying somebody's hair off or butchering it in ways that are beyond belief. Like the things I've fixed and seen, it's like I couldn't believe it. I still can't believe it. I pinch myself sometimes with the things I see behind the chair. There's times I don't even feel comfortable, and if you follow my Instagram, BR Hair Artistry, I post every single client every single day that I work, my whole entire career, whether before, during, and after, whether it comes out how I planned or not, you're going to get the real deal. I keep it 100% funky. Everybody knows that who follows me, my circle, the ones that trust me, love me, my OG subscribers, they know that I'm going to show that end result, whether the hair broke off or it didn't. Or whether it looked good or it didn't do what I thought it was going to do or it didn't. It doesn't matter. You're going to see the real. I didn't focus on posting a lot of reels and all that throughout my career and building clientele. I just show my stories and get behind the scenes kind of a look and vibe to clients, and that's what they love about me, and that's what makes them come in and want to see me. But it's just like I didn't take the easy way out. A lot of us don't. There's a lot of talent in my area. There's a lot of talent in this industry, and I feel like it sucks that we have people in there that try to almost benefit off that by raising a price a little bit below what we charge, but then butchering the hair because they don't know what the hell they're doing. Let me know down below what you think. All comments are welcome. You don't have to be nice if you don't agree with what I'm saying, but this is how I feel, and I'm always going to say what I feel. Alright, so I let it process for 60 minutes without heat as always. And now we're going in and doing a soft root shadow. Soft root for me is anything a little bit lighter than the natural base color. So I did a 5NA, 5N equal parts on her for a nice cool flat root shadow. And we'll still be able to see the highlights coming all the way through because it is lighter than her natural color. When I'm doing a root toner, I have 3 different ways: a tap, a shadow, and a smudge. I have where I go in most of the time with the natural base color. That will give a nice, real, natural look. If I want something to be more smudged out and more lived in, I'll do a level darker than the natural. And then a little bit lighter than the natural will give me more of like a soft root, where it's basically not really a root look. It's just kind of bringing everything together, but still keeping them blonde to the root. Alright guys, so mixing up her final toner. I didn't get any toning footage, but I did mix up the toner. I did 9NB, 9G, 9NW, and a splash of AGI. She didn't get as light as I was hoping because she is really dark naturally, and that just is what happens. But I think it came out so beautiful. This is the brightest she's ever been, probably will ever be. She likes more of like that lived in look, but it was fun for the summer. I love it. She loves it. You're about to see it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know video ideas you want to see. I want to post a couple more times a week, but I need video ideas, guys. Come on, engage a little bit more with me. Please like, share, subscribe. I never ask that, but really please do. Here's the before one more time, and ladies and gentlemen, this is the after. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now, guys.